You've eaten a lot of berries. You might forget I said anything. What was that? Oh, hi, Loki. Do you need a doctor?
TB, stop what you're doing and give your wall to reporter. What? Why? I need to release Robati. Sorry, Pen. Golfball and I are releasing Pen next, and then David, TB, come look. What's up, Golfball? Oh, hey, Rocky. Yellowface just turned into Rocky. What? I'm serious. I was doing some work and I asked Yellowface or Rocky if he wanted to help. Then I saw a splash of yellow and Rocky vomited on the floor. Okay, I'm leaving.
Hey, Pencil, I'm back with lunch. Pencil, are you okay?
Yeah, sure. Where's Bubble?
Dead.
Pencil, Ice Cube is dead. Oh, hey, Ruby. Let's go recover Bubble and Ice Cube.
Okay, I think we're safe.
So what's this whole remembering you thing?
Do you remember Winning Dream Island?
What island?
Dang, you must have hit your head pretty hard.
Look, I'm not comfortable hanging out with a stranger. I'm gonna go.
Don't do it, Fiery. You really want to be locked up again by those stupid people just because the stupid replacement box you made canceled BFDIA? Or did it?
How do you know that?
Well, you see...
I want answers now, Leafy.
You remember my name! Come with me, I got something to show you.
It's okay, Robati. I'm sure you'll get released soon.
What did you do to her? She's a monster.
You're just jealous she's smarter than you.
I'm not.
Where is it? TB, look. You took it. Well, you released Robati, didn't you? Yeah, but it hasn't been a month. You know what that means. No. Me either, but I'm sure it's bad. TB, what's wrong? I heard you screaming. Somebody stole my wall teleporter and released Robati. Pin, you did what? I just wanted to be ready. Well, your selfishness just killed us all.
That's what he always says. It's good that 4 went to Glenkey to fix his little mind swap problem. Now I can make it fun. If I want to take over this pathetic planet, I'll need to get 4 out of the picture. Maybe I can manipulate one of those contestants' minds to kill him. That green ball seems like a good choice. 4 will be back soon. I need to lay low.